Welcome to my channel, I'm Lili. Today I'm gonna make Fidget Toy Flexagon. I created Pokemon version of Flexagon template and also the plain one without drawings to share. So feel free to download from the link below in the description. Okay, let's get started. Print the file from the link below and cut out the template. Fold along the inside diagonal lines. Once again, fold along the dotted lines. Pinch the triangle shapes at the top and bottom with 2 fingers. Flip the template and assemble by gluing triangle shapes together. To make it more sustainable, I added little pieces of tape to the edges. Okay, it's done! I created plain template without drawing as well. You can draw something on it or simply color it like I did. Okay, it's done. It was so easy, right? Okay, enjoy playing with it.